Now in this video we are going to learn about the top command. Okay, so before starting this video, first of all let me tell you about the what is the top command. Okay, so if you have learned about the ps command, like which gives us the process states of of this system, similarly top command is also one of the command which lies under the process management. Okay, we can get the information about the different processes, like what is the PID of that particular process, how much memory is being used by that process. Okay, we will see all the details and what are the users and who are the users using that particular process. So everything we are going to see about in this particular video. So we will start with the simple and basic command, that is a top. Simple. When you hit top, then it will show you the details about the other different running processes by different users and all those things. Okay, but before that, let me just increase the size of my terminal. I hope it is visible to you. I'll just hit top. Okay, so here you can see the PID. What PID, what does it mean? I will tell you everything about all these three. What is these all things? Okay, but before that I will need to separate like this screen, and I will just open one command line also. Okay, so here you can see what is the PID. PID just defines the process ID. Like if you don't know about PID, let me tell you. Every device has a unique MAC address. Similarly, PID is just like that. Like it uniquely identifies each process. Whatever the process is created by the user, then our system assigns some PID to that particular process to uniquely identify that process. Similarly, that is the process ID. Okay, moving forward, if you will see the user, so user section just defines like who is the user using that particular process. Don't give attention on spelling mistakes. Okay, that is not important here right now. So what is PR? PR is just like priority. Okay, what is the priority of that command? So the thing is that if your what we say, the number is lower, so it should have the higher priority. So you can see the 0, so these processes should have higher priority. Okay, like you can see 20 minus 51, so it is, you can see 2020, everything is there. Like, so here you can write the lower the number, higher the priority. What does priority mean? Basically, like this process, like for if something happens to the more priority command or more priority process, then the CPU uses should not CPU uses. Just think like example. Suppose there are two processes A and B, and the priority of B is low, but priority of A is high. Okay, if some interruption happens with A, then A can use more CPU uses, you can say like that. Okay, so this is the defines the PR, like what is the priority of that particular process or command. And for the UK, you will see here it is VIRT, which basically defines the virtual memory used by the task. Okay, it is, I think it's in KB, it is in KB. Okay, so that's why it's showing like bigger number. Okay, so it is virtually, you can say not virtually, virtual memory used by the task. Okay, moving forward, what is this res? So res is what we can say, I think it is the physical RAM. Yeah, the command used, like whatever the process is running, like how much RAM this is particularly using, like this particular process, how much RAM it is using. So it is also in the KB. This data is in KB. Okay, and moving forward, if you will talk about the SHR, so SHR is nothing but a shared memory. It also in KB. Okay, and then the percentage CPU, percentage memory, time, and what are the other options you can see here, where it is time plus command, all those things. Like this shows the which command, after entering which command this process is running. Okay, so here you can see all those things. Okay, if I will just yeah, wait a minute. What I will do, first I will just stop this top command, and I will again run that top command, and I will show you one thing. Okay, so here you can see the top command is running, Okay, like different processes coming here and there. Okay, now what I will do, but command is not visible. Let me just increase this one. Yeah, now you can see the command is visible. If I do Control Alt T and I will hit this Firefox. Okay, so this command, what it will do, it will just create a new process. Okay, and then again you can see here, if I will hit enter in this particular terminal, then Firefox will come up there, and some PID will be assigned to that. So here you can see which command is this, Firefox, and the particular time you can see how much CPU uses per memory plus virtual memory. Okay, and RAM also, and who is the user, Ayush is the user, and the PID is 4790. Okay, so in this way this particular top command works, which displays you the particular information about any particular process. Okay, so now what we have to do, if you want to just what you can see, you can say like if you want to get information about the particular user, like so let's suppose I want to get information about the Ayush user, what process is being used by that particular user. So I can use those command also. Okay, but before moving to that, I will just tell you one thing. Like if you want to kill any process while using top command, how you can do it? You have to just in this particular terminal, let me just increase this one. Okay, where it is, I think this one, yeah, this one. Firefox is running. Firefox PID is what, 4790. Now what we have to do, you have to just hit K. So when you will enter K, so here you can see PID to signal default PID is 1622. So here you can do enter the PID of the process which you want to kill or which you want to close. So if I will search for Firefox, I think it was 4790. Okay, so let me just separate this. Okay, yeah, here you can see 4790 is some process. Let me just increase this one, the width of it. So 4790, I'm not able to see 479. Here you can see 4790 is this one. So I will just hit K and I will enter 4790. Enter, and here you can see the what happens when you kill the command, not command, when you kill the process, then you need to give the particular signal. So in this case I will hit 15. So you can see like Firefox has been closed, and also here you can see the terminated. Okay, so why I entered the P15, because like it's kind of one of a signal which we use with the kill command. Okay, so we will talk about the kill command in some another particular video. Okay, now moving forward, what I was telling about to get information about the process used by some particular user. So how you can see, you like how you can do that. What we have to do, you have to just enter top -u and the name of the user, Ayush, and here you can see all the processes which are being used by this particular user. Oh, I think multiple processes are being used. Okay, so in this way you can get information about particular user. If you want to, like if you work in a corporate world and you get like as a Linux administrator, then in that case it will be very useful, like to know like which user is using what kind of processes. When something happens, then you can see. Okay, and also there are multiple things like you can, if you will hit Z, then the running process color will get converted into this what red color. And if you will do press like what you can say, if you press C, then you will get the path of particular command, like for which, in which path that command is particularly running. So here you can see the genome cell is in user bin directory, and many more things. Here it is. Okay, so that's all for today's videos, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you have any queries, then you can ask us in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.